How to make money with AI in 2024. That's what you're going to be talking about in today's video. So you want to stay to the very end so that you can learn more. Hey, future moguls, AI is everywhere in 2024 and it's going to be everywhere again in 2025 and beyond. And guess what? It's not just for the tech geeks. It's a massive opportunity for you to make money. Today, I'm going to be sharing 5 practical ways to cash in on the AI revolution. So let's dive right in. Number 1 way to make money with AI in 2024 is to offer AI-powered services. So tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Midjourney can supercharge your productivity. So start offering content creation, graphic design, or even customer service solutions to businesses. You don't even need to have coding skills. Just learn how to use the AI platform of your choice and you are in business. But most importantly, learn how to use AI prompts because it's going to be a game changer for you. Number 2 way to make money with AI in 2024 is building and selling AI tools or plugins. If you've got a tech background, this is for you. Consider building and selling AI tools or plugins. Companies and individuals need AI solutions tailored to their various needs, and you could create something like a chatbot. You could create automated scripts or even industry-specific AI solutions and sell it on platforms such as Gumroad or even AppSumo. Number 3 way to make money with AI in 2024 is by creating and selling AI-powered digital products. So here is where your creativity is going to be a game changer. So use AI to design ebooks. You can use AI to design online courses. You can use AI to design or even generate digital art or even develop niche-specific guides. So tools like Canva AI, ChatGPT, and even DALL-E make it so much easier to create products that people are willing to pay for. Number 4 way to make money with AI in 2024 and beyond is by teaching AI skills. So many people want to earn and learn how to use AI tools, and you can be the one that bridges that difference for them. So creating online courses or hosting webinars on platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and the rest can be a way for you to make money on AI in 2024 and beyond. You can also use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare to create your courses or lessons on different aspects of AI and then post them on these different platforms, charge a small fee and make money from it. Very, very easy way to make passive income in 2024. You can even do private coaching for businesses or even individuals who are looking to adopt AI into their business processes. Number 5, last but not least way to make money with AI in 2024 and beyond is to invest in AI startups or even AI stocks. So this is whereby you let your money work for you by investing in the startups or companies that are big on AI. AI companies are booming right now, and do make sure that you conduct your own due diligence and pick promising startups or even publicly traded companies that are big on AI, and then ride on the AI wave. Make money while it still lasts. So bonus idea, how you can make money with AI in 2024 and beyond is through AI affiliate marketing. So this is whereby you partner with AI companies to promote their various tools and get paid a commission for people who use your link to purchase or to sign up for these different AI tools. So many AI platforms have very generous affiliate programs. You just share your unique link and watch the earnings roll in. So guys, there you have it, 6 different ways to make money with AI in 2024. The best part, AI does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You just have to make sure that you have the right prompts. And the sooner you jump in, the faster you will see the results. So let me know in the comment section below, which idea are you going to try first? And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a sweet comment, and of course, do hit the notification bell. It is on the right hand side of the subscribe button, so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first one to know. So the future is AI. Start now. I will see you on the next one. Bye.